This is some Iraqi news from Friday morning from Bond Ladies Corner. Parliamentary Finance talks about changing the exchange rate, and the International Monetary Fund comments on reducing the Iraqi dinar. The Parliamentary Finance Committee confirmed today, Friday, December 25th, 2020, that it has not formally received the draft general budget for next year. While the International Monetary Fund commented on the reduction of the Iraqi dinar and the 2020 budget. Quote, the Finance Committee has not yet formally received the draft budget for next year, unquote. The Iraqi news agency quoted committee member Majida al-Tamimi as saying, pointing out that, quote, the central bank is responsible for the exchange rate and it is not the financial committee's authority to interfere with it, unquote. Al-Tamimi added that, quote, the Financial Committee seeks to reduce the effects of changing the exchange rate on the vulnerable classes of low-income people, unquote, confirming that its committee seeks to increase social welfare allocations and the ration card items. She pointed out that there is, quote, a new mechanism presented regarding the ration card file away from the current approved mechanism, unquote, indicating that, quote, the new mechanism will protect the local product, unquote. As for the International Monetary Fund, it welcomed the approval by the Iraqi Council of Ministers of the 2021 budget bill, while it saw the implementation of important financial reforms and the reduction of the currency exchange rate as very important steps. The Iraqi news agency quoted the IMF mission in Iraq as saying that it welcomes the, quote, approval of Cabinet on the draft general budget bill for the fiscal year of 2021, and that decisive recalibration of economic policies must be made in order to maintain the stability of the economy, unquote. The mission added that, quote, implementing important financial reforms and reducing the currency exchange rate are very important steps, unquote. The mission continued, quote, we are ready to support the reform efforts made by the Iraqi government, unquote.